If you're using an Apple iPhone, you may be using the WhatsApp application as well. Normally, when you back up your WhatsApp, it gets saved to iCloud. And when you're doing that, if you want to add end-to-end encryption, you can do that too. By default, it will be turned off. If you add end-to-end encryption, it will be more secure. So if others get this file, it will be difficult for them to read those things. Your security will increase. In this video, we'll be telling you how to enable end-to-end encryption on your WhatsApp chat backup in Apple iPhone. For this, open the WhatsApp application. When you open it, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo and here you can see the Chats option. Click on Chats. When you click on that, here you can see the Chat Backup option. Click on Chat Backup. And when you click on that, here you can see end-to-end encryption, and by default it will be turned off. If you want to enable this, just click on it. And when you click on that, here you can see the Use Passkey option, or here you can see one more option, More Options. If you click on that, here you can see two options. One is Create Password and another is Use 64-bit encryption key instead. But the thing is, if you forget this password or if you lose your phone, sometimes it will be difficult to get back this data. So I think Passkey will be the safer option. So I am going with Passkey. For that, click on Use Passkey. And when you click on that, here you can see the Use My Passkey option. Click on this. When you click on that, here you can see the Use Passkey option. Click on that. When you click on that, you will be asked to confirm your identity with Face ID. Confirm your identity. When you confirm, here you can see a pop-up message like this. Click on OK. When you click on that, your end-to-end encryption will be enabled. Here you can see it is enabled with Passkey. So this way you can easily enable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp chat backup on Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.